SBI General Insurance seems to have stopped its most popular plan, the Arogya Plus health plan, and customers are feeling cheated. Now, it is one of its low-cost health plans, and there could possibly be a regulatory breach in the process. Existing policyholders are being forced to switch to a more costlier option, and comparable benefits are still not available. Now, let's take a look at what the customer has to say on the policy and how they're feeling about it.
हमने SBI का प्लान लिया था आरोग्य प्लस, जिसमें लाइफ टाइम सेम प्रीमियम बताया गया था कि आपको ये 10,500 रुपये का हर साल भरना रहेगा और जितने भी मतलब फैमिली मेम्बर्स है वो कवर रहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 2 एडल्ट 2 चाइल्ड है तो वो सारे के सारे 10,500 में कवर रहेंगे. लेकिन अब बोल रहे हैं कि ये प्लान रिन्यू नहीं हो सकता और आपको दूसरे प्लान में माइग्रेट करना पड़ेगा SBI के, जहाँ पे प्रीमियम यहाँ से 4 या 5 गुना ज़्यादा है. और दूसरा जो प्लान था उसमें 17,000 या 18,000 है, लेकिन वो हम ले नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमने लास्ट ईयर क्लेम किया था, ऐसा बोल रहे. तो हमारे लिए अभी कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचता कि हम कहाँ जाए, कैसे कौन से प्लान ले.
Well, NDTV reached out to SBI General Insurance and the company said in a statement that it confirms the availability of renewal of their product Arogya Plus. We adhere strictly to regulatory norms. Our unwavering commitment to maintaining the highest levels of quality and transparency underscores our dedication to providing reliable insurance solutions. Now, at the same time, we reached out to the customer care executive and let's listen in on what the customer executive has to say.
लाइन होल्ड करने के लिए धन्यवाद सर. ये पॉलिसी आपकी आरोग्य प्लस पॉलिसी है और ये पॉलिसी सर अभी माइग्रेट हो रही है, विड्रॉल हुई है और ये माइग्रेट हो रही है SBI जनरल के दूसरे प्लान में, इसलिए आपको वो रिन्यूअल का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा होगा.
We also logged in onto the customer care website that the company has to offer, and there is absolutely no option to renew the Arogya Plus plan. In fact, a conversation with agents, relationship managers at banks and customer care executives all claim policy withdrawal. So let's hear in on what the expert has to say about this.
If I go by the IRDA guidelines, the company has to follow certain procedure. They have to give the product closure approval to IRDA. They have to submit it. Once IRDA approves that closure, then the company has to give 90 days intimation to all the policy holders directly that the product is getting closed and there is some migration option that has been made available by the company.
Well, so let's just summarize the whole thing. We have a low cost policy at a premium of just 10,500, some insured of 3 lakh, no other comparable policy available. Porting can be extremely expensive, or even migrating to a better policy with the same provider can be expensive, increasing from 2-fold anywhere to 5-fold of the existing premium. Quite a lot of issues. So let's see when the regulator either steps in or when SBI General Insurance accepts what it's doing and comes up with a solution.